Hey, it's Prison Jim again. It's been a while since I've been here. It's because I was in isolation just for a little bit, for a little mischievous stunt. Well, I'm back and I'm ready to cook you something. I'm making a dessert. I'm making a prison brownie. From the commissary, I got these cookies. I love an Oreo. I'm gonna put them in this baggie here. I got 2 packs. I'm gonna put it in. Allow some air to get out, and then comes the good part. I'm gonna smash it! I'm gonna put those in a mixing vessel now. Now you need some instant coffee. As you probably know, coffee is like gold here in the clink. We're gonna add that right to the Oreo. I'm gonna pour a little boiling water in here and create a brownie batter. It's so hot I need to cool it down. I'm gonna add a little 7-Up. That might even add a little flavor too. Here comes the brownie. Oh yes. Look at that. Nice. Now let's put a topping on this brownie. Grab yourself a chocolate bar and we're gonna put it under the hot water in the sink. Melt it up a little bit. Okay, it's all melted. Now you just cut off the top. Oh crap, you saw the scissors. Don't tell anybody. Okay, take that chocolate and squeeze it right on top of that brownie. Whoa! Okay, you need to grab that fork and I'm ready to try this brownie. Wow, that's good. This is some great cuisine. And you could do it in your cell too. Thanks for watching me, Prison Jim, and I'll see you next time.